Let's try some beautiful pastries in New York City. The first one we're going to try is this beautiful orange. I've learned that this is not edible. Oh my god, look at that inside, you guys. Next we have the strawberry. This one has like a delicious strawberry puree inside. Now let's try the blueberry one. Oh my gosh, you guys, look at that inside. Why are all these so freaking good? Alrighty, and for the last one, we have the iconic mango. Already, I completely destroyed every single one of these, but these were honestly probably one of my favorite fruit pastries I've tried so far.